Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add folder to existing photos or videos on Instagram story. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and let's just create an Instagram story. First, we can tap on your story, and then for example, I'm going to upload my photo to my Instagram story. And I'm gonna go with this photo, so we can just tap on the photo, and then if we want to add folder to this photo, we can just swipe left or swipe right like this. Then you can keep swiping until you get the folder that you want to apply to your Instagram story. And for example, I'm just going to apply this folder. Then after we're done, we just need to click on your story to upload this photo to our Instagram story. Alright guys, and that's how we can add folder to existing photos or videos or on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.